everyone had a great weekend, and I believe this week is going to be good for us all by God's grace in Jesus' name. So this week I want to start with DXY. Actually, for those of us that are used to my channel, they will know that I don't take DXY and yield for granted because DXY is the one that actually moves, drives GBPUSD, AUDUSD, USD CAD, USD CHF. So is their driver. So when DXY is going up, GBPUSD goes down and the likes, and of course USD CAD goes up. So looking at it on my chart, DXY is let's look at it on a higher time frame. So looking at it on a higher time frame, we can all see that we have a falling wedge, so which indicates that this guy should finally break up. So in order to take our own advantage of it, so we are just targeting from the level. So as if you can remember, we have been on this since last week. Actually, been on this since last week, and we have been, of course, buying DXY. So and it has really been great. So let's target this zone first. So that's where we are targeting first. That it's going to come up here. That is our target. So coming to the lower time frame, we see it as it is. So this is it on the lower time frame. So this is it on the lower time frame. So I'm expecting this guy to touch the trend line and then fly up, or maybe at worst do create a liquidity, probably come and do a third touch down here, this blue line, and then go up. But all I know is that this week it's going to fly up and touch this trend line and most likely break up. And if that is going to happen, so what it means is that GBPUSD is going to do what? It's going to sell too. So we are targeting just sell on GBPUSD, of course buy on USD CAD. So I'm looking at my GBPUSD on my chart. So I'm expecting this guy to actually come up here, and maybe at a worst scenario, come up to this zone. Worst scenario, come up to that zone. So come up here. So when it comes up here, then it falls. So overall, I'm expecting a sell on GBPUSD. Then you want to ask when is the best time to enter. So I'll wait, like I said, until 22. I'll be very patient to wait. Check my sell around 22 600 first zone, and then 22 900 or 850, 22 850, 22 600 first zone to sell, 22 850, then the major or the second zone for a sell. Or if it continues to sell here, then I'll wait until it breaks this place down and then target my sell at 22 200, while I'll put my stop loss at 22 400. Of course, everybody knows 20 pips or 25. That's my risk level. So that's it. Watching out for a sell on GBPUSD in the course of this week. And remember, there's going to be an high impact news tomorrow, the CPI. So as you can see, tomorrow, Tuesday 14, CPI by 2:30. So prepare yourself. It's going to be massive. I think so. It's going to be massive. There's no major activity today, so the market might probably be dull or shaky or tricky rather. So tricky as the language. And of course, on Wednesday 15, there is another news PPI. So this week, I guess, is loaded. Thursday, there's another one on employment claims. On Friday, not really much. So watch out for a sell on GU, DXY, buy, and then yield. Uh, so as you can see, our yield is playing, is toiling around the opening level of last week, and of course this week. So I'm expecting a breakout of this zone to touch this trend line here, yield. So if it's going to do that, that means gold will sell. But then I will wait until it breaks this zone and retest, then for a upper move. If not, gold might want to fall. And one of the reasons why I don't want to put my too much trust in gold is because of the situation around the war between the Israeli and the Palestinian. So uh, I really am very, very much careful trading gold. But technically speaking, this is what we're expecting it to do. And then if yield buys, definitely gold is going to sell. Gold is going to sell. And this is it. On our chart, if we may have a look, have a look at gold. This is what it's doing presently. So that means gold might want to touch this place and then fall from there. Maybe at most, of course, this is a long way. So expecting to touch this place, touch this zone, and then fall. So if you may ask me, just just carry this and then put it here. So I target my sell around that zone. Watch out for a sell at that zone, and that is it. That is it. You see, for so some of us that are just not used to my channel, to my teaching, this is it. When I post something like this, the green line zone is actually the active, the beneficial zone. The pink zone is the stop loss zone. So that means if you enter at the extreme here, your stop loss will be small. Then if you enter around this zone, your stop loss will be wide. So what it means is that market is valid at any point around the green zone. Then when it enters, this is the peak of the stop loss zone. So be mindful of that. So that means the closer to the stop loss zone you enter, the better, and the smaller, of course, your risk. So take note of that. So having that, I believe this week is going to be good for us. And as the week continues, we will monitor and ensure that we have a great week at the end of the day. But then, uh, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, and of course, press the like button, and at the same time, the notification button, so that you can always be notified whenever there is an activity on this channel. So also you can share it with friends and families. I mean the channel, let them get it. We are working on something great for the participants, which is some mini training for some of us that probably don't have any knowledge about it yet and want to run in the lane. So we want to package some small training. We are working on that. So get as many as possible onto the channel. so that we can all move together. I wish every one of us good luck.